Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. आज का टॉपिक है स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट फॉर सबमिशन ऑफ पीएचडी थीसिस इन ऑनलाइन मोड ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन पीरियड। ये नोटिफिकेशन हुआ है 28 मई 2021। अभी हम जो नोटिफिकेशन है उसको देखेंगे। विश्व भारती एग्जामिनेशन सेक्शन नोटिफिकेशन सब्जेक्ट स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट फॉर सबमिशन ऑफ पीएचडी थीसिस इन ऑनलाइन मोड ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन पीरियड। The research scholars who have completed their research and ready to submit thesis are unable to submit the same in view of the suspension of normal work of the university due to COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdown. Many research scholars have been requesting for special arrangement for submission of their thesis so that they may get the benefit of completed research degree in their career at the earliest opportunity. The university, after taking into consideration the present situation and in the best interest of the student, decided following arrangements to overcome the problem. Students who are ready with their thesis after completing all formalities may follow the following steps for online submission of thesis. 1. Scanned copy of the application with the due certificate from the supervisor, head of the department, and principal of the Bhavana may be sent to the Joint Register Academic Research with soft copy of the first page of the thesis clearly depicting the title of the thesis duly approved by the research board. Email for sending the soft copies. email क्या है? dracad@vishwabharati.ac.in. 2. On getting clearance from the academic research section, the candidate may deposit thesis evaluation fees through SBI Collect. Clearly mentioned thesis evaluation fees in the remark column. SBI कलेक्ट पर पैसा डिपॉजिट करने का वीडियो हमारा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पर है, वो भी जाकर देखिए। On getting clearance from the academic research section, the candidates may deposit thesis evaluation fees through SBI Collect. Clearly mention thesis evaluation fees in the remarks column. Save the challan of payment. Submit 3. Submit soft copies of the following: the PhD unit of the examination section at the email address. email address क्या है एग्जामिनेशन सेक्शन का? vbexamphd@vishwabharati.ac.in. Soft copy of the thesis and synopsis. ईमेल पर क्या देना पड़ेगा? सॉफ्ट कॉपी ऑफ द थीसिस एंड सिनॉप्सिस. स्कैन कॉपी ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम सुपरवाइजर एंड को सुपरवाइजर इफ एनी. स्कैन कॉपी ऑफ अंडरटेकिंग declaration from the candidate. Scanned copy of plagiarism verification certificate ARKUND or any other software approved by UGC. Scanned copy of SBI Collect challan in support of payment thesis evaluation fees. Scanned copy of clearance from the academic and research section. Scanned copies of mandatory publication for submission of thesis. उसके बाद 4. On successful completion of the above formalities, the examination section will issue a provisional thesis submission certificate. 5. The candidates availing online thesis submission facility shall have to clear their dues, if any, with the accounts department. After clearing the dues, they shall have to submit the prescribed number of hard copies of their thesis to the examination section within 30 days from the date of opening of lockdown in the state of residence of the candidates, failing which their result shall be withheld. The above arrangements shall be available only for the period of lockdown in the state or the state of residence of the candidate. ये जो स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट फॉर सबमिशन ऑफ पीएचडी थीसिस इन ऑनलाइन मोड ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन पीरियड, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. ये नोटिफाइड हुआ है 28 मई 2021, नोटिफाइड बाय द जॉइंट रजिस्टर एग्जामिनेशंस विश्व भारती. ये स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट स्टूडेंट के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है क्योंकि अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर मोर इंफॉर्मेशन. थैंक यू so much.